Hi, my name is Dr. Mohamed Teleb. I'm here at the Seattle Science Foundation. I'm from Phoenix, Arizona, where I practice at Banner Desert Medical Center. This week for the Seattle Science Foundation, Dr. Elias from UT Southwestern will present on high-grade spondylolisthesis, evolution of treatment and case discussion Wednesday morning in our STED Talk series. This week also marks the beginning of our SSF Summer Research Internship. It may be too late to sign up as an intern, but you can still join us on July 15th through 17th in our mini med school. Jumpstart your career in medicine. Sign up for mini med school at ssfcme.org. We'd also like to announce a new addition to our recurring course scheduling beginning on July 8th. Tumor Talk is a bi-weekly collaboration effort between the Journal of Neuro-Oncology and the Seattle Science Foundation. Recently published papers dealing with brain and spinal cord tumors will be discussed, so join us on the second and fourth Monday every month. Thank you.